tornado. So yeah, in the town, like in a tornado, it destroyed a lot. But this one is going to be an EF6 today. So, but really not. EF6 is not legal, but let's not do EF6. Just joking. But yeah. Here's going to be the survivors. Pick your seats, cars, I don't know. Pick any car and you might survive. Is that a tornado? Huh? Tornado? Yeah, sure. Let's chase it. Yeah, sure. No. Ow. Wait, I think I'm actually getting pulled in. Okay. I'm going right here. Okay. So I'm going in. Oh shoot. I'm getting in the garage. Leveling. EF2. Oh no, I think I'm gonna get lifted up. I'm going into the mall too. It's gonna destroy some buildings. Oh no, we're lifted. Let's see. Oh my god, that rooftop. No. The town is getting destroyed. No. Leveling. Damn, it's leveling very fast. This could lift cars. Oh no, there's an open edge. Please, please. And that somehow happened. Yes. Wait, what? Is that a tornado? Oh my god, it is! Get in the shelter! Ah! Shelter! Tornado! Oh no! Hey! Get in the mall! No! Tornado! Hey guys, make some space! I can't get in! Well, too bad, you have to stay outside. No! What's happening back there? And two tornadoes merged, by the way, and there's like another EF3 right here. Oh my god, there's another EF3! We're in our shelter. Oh no! The rooftop is gone! Oh no! I just saw a house get obliterated. Oh no! No! I'm gonna get lifted up. No! You have to stay strong, guys. Wait, there's a tornado right behind me. Oh my god, I just saw it got lifted. No, the house. The house. Oh. We're gonna get lifted. No! Oh no!
걱정하지 마세요. 다들 사이좋게 수업 잘 받게 될 겁니다. 지랄한다 이 병신 새끼. 너 아까 도망갔지? 너 우리 학교 왜 왔냐? 자동차 물건에 취업하는 거야. 권혁영이 대기업이고 진짜 성적이야.
Why is there two tornadoes? Oh my god. I think I'm gonna get lofted. No. Hey. And the other tornado dissipated. And this tornado also dissipated. Oh no. Somehow all survived. Yeah, we all survived. Winter though. Whew. Barely made it. Whew. We're lucky. Yeah. True. Okay. I'm going to call my papa. Okay, I think I broke the garage. Yeah, you definitely. Whee! Okay, the video is ending now. Time to show the damage. Some rooftop right here, leftovers, and some. Yeah, that's a wall leftover, or this. Nah, it's probably like this. In the L shape, like no, that could be the building's rooftop. Another rooftop and a wall or attic part or a flat, whatever. Another wall, some cars, and another rooftop. Another L shape, never mind. Why is it floating? Go back there. Another wall thing, I don't know. A wall shape? Yeah, that's definitely a wall shape. And a rooftop or whatever. I don't know. A destroyed house, I guess. I don't know where it says rooftop, but I definitely think it's this. Or I don't know. Here's some rooftops that the houses are completely fine. Some destroyed cars. Rooftop again. Some debris and no rooftop. Oh damn! This guy's stuck between those two. Damn! There's really bad debris out here. Another car. L shape? No, that's a rooftop. Not a rooftop. Debris right here. A wall and a wall thing, but it looks like it's crumbled. And another wall thing. Yeah, rooftop. I think this is the rooftop, but got like ripped from the other tornado that we're about to merge. No, that's a rooftop. The bees. Rooftop.